In this episode of The Ingredient, a cooking show, Rob shows you how to turn the sandwich of your childhood into a grown folks' delight. Get ready to revisit a childhood favorite. Rob is transforming the simple bologna sandwich into something truly special, the Bougie bologna sandwich. It all starts with fresh sliced bologna straight from your local deli. Trust us, this isn't your average pre-packaged stuff. This is where the Bougie truly begins. To craft this elevated classic, you'll need that fantastic bologna, creamy mayonnaise, tangy Dijon mustard, rich brioche bread, eggs and milk, crisp shredded lettuce, a ripe tomato, and a sharp yellow onion. First things first, let's make our incredible spread. In a small bowl, combine your mayonnaise and Dijon mustard. Give that a good stir until it's perfectly smooth and creamy. Thinly slice your yellow onion. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a skillet over medium-low heat. Add those onions in, and this is where patience pays off. Cook them slowly, stirring occasionally for about 20 to 30 minutes until they transform into these beautiful, sweet golden brown strands of deliciousness. Slice the ripe tomato into thin slices. Next, in a bowl, whisk together your eggs and milk until well combined. Take each slice of that beautiful brioche and give it a quick dip in the egg mixture. Just enough to coat. We don't want it soggy. Now, on a preheated griddle or pan, add a thin layer of butter and cook your bread slices until they're beautifully golden brown and lightly crispy on both sides. This adds an incredible richness and texture to our sandwich. Time for our star ingredient, the bologna. Cook your fresh sliced bologna on the hot griddle until it's nicely browned and slightly crispy on the edges. Here's a pro tip. Put a few small slices around the edges of the bologna to prevent it from curling up and to promote even cooking and crispiness. Once browned, top each slice with some smoked Gouda cheese right on the griddle and let it melt slightly. It adds incredible flavor and richness. Now for the grand assembly. Take those golden brioche French toast slices and spread a layer of our mayo Dijon mixture on each slice. Place those perfectly cooked bologna slices with the melted Gouda on top. Now, let's assemble this masterpiece. Start with a thin slice of ripe tomato for a burst of juiciness, then layer on those incredible caramelized onions we made earlier. Next, pile on a generous amount of crisp shredded lettuce for essential crunch and freshness. Finally, top it all off with the second slice of your brioche French toast. Now, for the moment of truth. Gently slice your sandwich in half, either straight down or diagonally. Look at that cross section. Layers of perfectly seared bologna, vibrant veggies, those sweet onions, and that irresistible spread, all nestled in rich, eggy brioche. This is beyond anything you remember. It's the comfort of childhood, elevated to pure culinary bliss. You have to try this. For the full recipe and more amazing elevated classics, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Brew and Feed, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next delicious adventure. See you next time.